Hello guys, hope everyone is good and fine. Today we will start our second tutorial. Our tutorial name was GNU Image Manipulation Program tutorial. We have done rectangle select tools in first tutorial. Today our second tutorial. Today we will complete another two tools. This name is select by color tool and fuzzy select. let's let's start by select by color tool. Using select by color, you can choose a single color in all over your image. Let's start. If you want to change the all yellow color, all yellow pixel in this photo, you can change this at a time with single click. Look, I am clicking on yellow pixel. Look, this selects all yellow areas in this image, and I will change all yellow to white. Look, this is the section of the color. I am clicking it. This is the default. This is black and this is white. You can change in top. This is the top color and this is the bottom color. I am changing using this arrow. You can change it. Look, I am selecting white. Now I will select my paint brush tool. You can select it using only shortcut key Y, or you can use your mouse to select brush tool. I am selecting the brush tool. Now I will brush these areas to make all yellow pixels to white. Look, it is done. I have successfully completed the yellow areas to simple white. Isn't it look good? This is really good, pretty good. And this is the image of the Ant-Man movie. This is the cover photo. I didn't yet see that movie, but I think this is very much fun. They are superhero, I think. Now you can understand how to use this tool, select by color tools. Now I will select the fuzzy tools. Using these fuzzy tools, you can select single color in single area. Look, this is only selecting this area black color and connected black colors in single area. This will not select this area because you already done this. This will can happen by single color fuzzy tools, and this is the specific area color fuzzy tools. So you can change only this area black color using fuzzy select tool. Look, I will change this. I will change this to bit yellowish, dark navy blue, and I don't want to change only this. I want to change all dark to dark navy blue. Look, wow, I have done this. Look at these things. I have changed. Isn't it look good? This is look good. I will save this image. I will export to the past image. Let's see how to look our images. Wow, I've done this very good. This is looking very good rather than before. I have changed the area white border, and I have changed the black color into dark navy blue using fuzzy tool and select by color fuzzy tool. I think you have done this thing. You can understand. You can do it now. If you have any problem, just pass comment in comment area, because I will upload these tutorial to YouTube for you guys free of cost. So enjoy. We will meet again in our next tutorial. Thank you.